right downhill to the second weekend of October. October 9th, 2025. Seeing Hayes here, 2054. Northbound here. Let's check 'em out. Brand new 8335. My next SD75IACC. Bitumen oil empties. U762. U762 71, excuse me, 63 rather. U763 71 of the 7th started at Baton Rouge, Louisiana. This will head up to Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. This will have a rear DPU. Have a meet set up at Murray. Looks like she's backing down. I hear the rear TPU now, another EMD, maybe a rebuild. She's opening it up. And that was the 8822 to bring up the last of it. How about that? Not a bad pass all in all. So that is going to do it for the U763, 71 of the 7th. And we'll do it for the brand new SD75IACC of the 8335 and the rear DPU of SD70M-28822. That is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this evening. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great evening. See you next time. And I hope I will see you along the main line. See you and Hayes out.